An IP Internet Protocol address is a unique numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. Here's how it works. Identification. Every device on a network, whether it's a computer, smartphone, or IoT device, needs a way to identify itself to other devices. An IP address serves as this identifier. Format. An IP address consists of a series of numbers separated by periods. For example, IPv4 addresses typically look like this: 192.168.1.1. IPv6 addresses, which are becoming more common due to the depletion of IPv4 addresses, have a different format and a longer string of numbers and letters. Routing. When data is transmitted over a network, it is broken down into packets. Each packet includes the destination IP address, allowing routers to determine where to send the packet next as it travels through the network. Local and public IP addresses. Devices connected to a local network, such as a home or office network, are assigned local IP addresses that are unique within that network but may not be unique globally. These addresses are typically assigned by a router using a protocol like DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Public IP addresses, on the other hand, are globally unique and are assigned by Internet Service Providers, ISPs, to identify devices on the broader Internet. Addressing scheme. IP addresses are divided into different classes and ranges to organize and manage them effectively. The two most common versions of IP addresses are IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 addresses use a 32-bit address scheme, while IPv6 addresses use a 128-bit address scheme, providing a vastly larger number of possible addresses. Subnetting. Networks can be subdivided into smaller subnetworks, called subnets, to manage and optimize network traffic. Subnetting involves dividing an IP address range into smaller ranges, each assigned to a different subnet. DNS translation. Alongside IP addresses, the domain name system, DNS, plays a crucial role in translating human-readable domain names, e.g., wexample.com, into IP addresses. This translation enables users to access websites and other resources on the Internet using familiar domain names rather than numerical IP addresses. Overall, IP addresses are fundamental to the functioning of the Internet, enabling devices to communicate with each other and facilitating the exchange of data across networks. They provide a standardized way of identifying and routing data packets to their intended destinations.